We have visitors. Many of you know them already, but the three P's are here. Patrick, Petra and Penelope. Patrick and Petra from RVliscious have never tried durian before. It's such a great fruit. It's yummy. So I bought a frozen durian for them to taste.
Komen we dat volgende keer?
We've got Patrick and Petra on visit here in our RV. And they are tasting the durian for the first time. So, what do you think of it?
Yummy.
Yummy, very tasty, and indeed every bite tastes different. Oh. Ja.
Ik krijg zeggen duimen.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
En waar komt het ook alweer vandaan? Van,
It's from Asian countries. Yes. They tasted the durian, and they loved it. It's very strange, but there are some people who hate it. They think it smells very ugly, and some people love it. So, yeah, I love it. Gea don't eat it, but she don't think it smells ugly. And Petra and Patrick, they thought it was very tasty. So, and we had a neighbor who said it smells like diesel oil, and some people said it smells like a sewage. So it's very different. Everyone think different about it. The smell and the taste. It's a fruit you must have tried.